Hello, my name is Frederico Cerveira from Universidade de Coimbra, and I'm here to present you the software-implemented fault injection method along with the UC exception tool. Software-implemented fault injection is a method belonging to the larger family of fault injection and can be defined as the deliberate insertion of faults or errors in a target system, with the objective of evaluating how it behaves under the presence of faults, or to validate fault tolerance mechanisms. It differs from other methods in the same family because it uses software techniques to perform the injection in a real system, as opposed to using hardware techniques or targeting models and simulations of the target system. This method fits within the high-level objective of the Values project by providing the means to evaluate the availability, reliability and safety of the system, as well as to accelerate the collection of failure data. The tool supporting software-implemented fault injection in the Values project is the UC exception framework. It is an open-source project that can be easily configured and extended. UC exception was developed at Universidade de Coimbra, supports 2 fault models out of the box, one fault model that emulates transient hardware faults in CPU registers, and another fault model that emulates software faults in C code. UC exception is tailored to be used in virtualized and cloud computing systems. Nowadays, the state-of-the-art in software-implemented fault injection is capable of accurately emulating transient hardware faults and software faults, which account for a significant part of all faults. However, there are some limitations that need improvement. For example, fault injection still requires expert knowledge, namely to design the experiments, to assemble the test system, and to integrate the fault injection tool. This brings a higher cost to the process. Furthermore, fault injection campaigns still may take a significant amount of time to execute, and they require the existence of a target system or a prototype. As such, under the Values project, our goal is to improve the usability of UC exception by implementing an easy-to-use graphical interface for designing new fault injection campaigns and monitoring their progress. We also plan to distribute UC exception using a packaging or containerization technology so that installing the fault injection tool in a new system becomes a trivial process. Finally, we will study approaches to accelerate the fault injection campaigns. For example, by using a model that injects failures instead of faults, as long as such does not invalidate the representativeness of the results. Thank you for your time.